In today's video, we are going to be transforming my boring ass bathroom into this cute, girly, DIY princess bad bitch pastel dream, and it's rental friendly as well.
It keeps bringing me joy. Count on me.
So here's my current bathroom. Currently gray walls, very bland, and I was just like scared to drill new holes, but I was like, fuck it, I really want to make this look cute, make it speak me. So here is what we'll be doing today. We're going to take off some paintings, find some bathroom inspo, order wallpaper, stick it on the walls, and add some new shelves and some little trinkets to bring it to life. Alright, we're going to take off the paintings here. Here's my inspo. It's really cute, girly vibes, vintage, anime, just really cutesy and glass shelves. So I want to incorporate that in my bathroom. Also, these specific paintings are from Falling Sunshine. I follow her on Instagram. She has a lot of cute artworks that I love to add to my bathroom. I might add some to my bedroom as well. I just use command strips to stick it onto my walls. They leave like not so much damage on it. Like as you can see, a little bit of the drywall peeled off, but usually it's very minimal. So I use spoonflower for my wallpaper. They have a variety, which I really like, and they're really quick with shipping and didn't take too long to arrive. Now for cheaper options, you can go on Amazon or Etsy. This was really expensive, I'm not gonna hold you, as you can see. They do have a tool where you can measure out your walls and see how much wallpaper you need and the sizes as well, which makes it super easy. And I just chose like this really cute pastel square. Now we're just waiting for it to be delivered. Super excited. So here is the wallpaper. It's finally here. So I'm just measuring out, making sure I'm using the correct size and length for each section. So as you can see, they're different panels and you just line them up. You just need a tape measure and you're good to go. Also, the sizes are labeled as well, too. Next, we are going to stick it to the wall. So I did have to repeat this process a couple of times because often there's bubbles or little wrinkles in certain spots and you have to make sure it's lined up really well. Make sure it's like measured. What's the word? Make sure it's lined up perfectly. Usually they provide a squeegee to push it down, but for some reason my package one wasn't included, so I just went to Home Depot and I got one. And you're just going to try to slide it down. You can kind of use your hand a little bit, but it takes a lot of patience. Like, it's not going to be a quick process. I think this took me at least 2 days to put up, and this was just my bathroom. Like, imagine if it was like my living room or my bedroom where I have a lot more wall space. And as you guys can see, I'm using the squeegee and pushing it down, making sure there's no air bubbles, making sure it's as smooth as possible. When I get towards the end, I couldn't find the key for the bar where I hang my towels, so I just had to cut around it. And you can use just like a box cutter to trim it on the edge. It won't be super clean, but it'll be nice enough. Again, this is DIY. We're not professionals here. We're just trying to make a little cute makeover bathroom, okay? Bathroom makeover. Me stressing out because it's like the middle of the day and I'm not the middle of the day, the middle of the night, and I'm tired. I'm ready to go to bed, but I was like, I really want to start this process. I want to give vibes. And here we go. So I finished the other side, most of the area on the door, and now I just need to hit where the mirror is in the shelves. And I also added it to my cabinet since I had some extra wallpaper. And as you can see, I also added it on my door, and it just gives girly pastel princess. Like, yes, look at my paintings. They're looking so good there. They got that pop of color. So here I am, just taking off the old mirror. I'm gonna put it back, but I would love to update that mirror. And we're just gonna take off the shelves, all the products that I have, old paintings, all that good stuff. And these shelves were crooked as fuck. I don't know who put them up, but like my shit was always leaning. It's not secure, so I'm glad like I actually said F it and just put the holes in and put new shelves in, because that was just a tragedy, honestly. Like all crooked. They did not line that up. They just hurry up and put it up. So I got these glass shelves from Amazon. It was super affordable. I think it was like $75. Originally, I was going to put the shelves up with double-sided tape. Do not do that. It's not going to work. So I just got a stud finder, put tape, marked where the drill needs to be, and I put it on the wall to make sure it was lined up. That's just an easy little tip, by the way. Look at me, it's giving handy manny. Bob the Builder up in this hoe. Alright, we are now done. I do go back and drill the holes a little bit deeper, just to make sure that everything is snug. And this comes in the box, and you just add it, and then you add the screws in, and I just hammer it in. Like, yes, your girl got some tools in her house, okay? She's an independent woman. Honestly, I was scared I was gonna like wake up my neighbors, because like, you know, I don't be using hammers all the time, and I don't want no noise complaint. I don't want to get kicked out. And now we're going to add the shelves. They're so cute. I really love the gold brass look. It's just giving me life, and everything's so even. Like, it just looks so cute and like crisp. And then I just put the old shelves in the basement. Once I move out, I'm gonna put them back and like smooth out all the holes and fill them up. I'm really scared because I will need to repaint some of the walls, since like it's drywall, so like some of it will tear off with the wallpaper. So yeah, and it's just cheap paint, so that's why. And I'm just measuring to make sure I have enough room for my toothpicker and my carafe. Or is it carafe? I think it's carafe. But here is just a close-up of what the shelf looks like. Only 2. I was debating 3, but I'm glad I just stuck with 2. Really cute. And now we're just going to add my little trinkets, my carafe where I have my mouthwash, my toothpick, some cute jars that I got from Amazon that hold like hair ties, and my pads for my face, and a little cute night light. Now the full makeover. Expensive thing out of this whole video was the wallpaper. All the other items, fake plants, I just got from Amazon, Etsy at a really cute affordable price, and it just brings everything together. Hope you guys loved this video. See you in my next one. Bye!